Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Guys, as you guys can see, I have stuff here on my counter. My husband just got home. Guys, it's snowing, having another winter storm. So my grandson is here with us, so we got some stuff. So he 64 and 41. The 41 my daughter purchased for my grandson, and the 64 my husband purchased for my grandson and for me to cook. So we're going to start with, and also he spent another $29 at Sam's Club. A lot of you guys know that my husband works at Sam's Club. So he bought this at a reduced price. He saved $4.49. It was 18 reduced to 13.67. My husband is actually the person that goes in the meat department and look at the prices and look when stuff is going to expire, and he reduced them for a quick sale. He reduced it 2 days before expiration day. So yeah, guys, this is a pork shoulder, and this one, it was regular price. So these are, guys, I can't see, I'm blind, I don't have my glasses. These are $15.53. These ones are called country pork bone in country style ribs. But I touched this, and yeah, so there you go. There's that. So I'm going to leave that right here because I have to move everything in my freezer around. So let's take this down, guys. And then here we have for my grandson, a pack of Little Debbie's. So give me 1 second. And then, of course, my husband bought his ices. So, Hayden, you want an icy? Here. So, he bought 3 boxes because him and my grandson like them. So, they'll have their... Doesn't matter. It could be below 0, and they still have this. They eat these things. I can stand the cold, so I will not eat nothing. There's cold in the winter time. Like, I will not eat ice cream. I will not eat none of that in winter time. I think it seems not logical to me. So, okay. He also bought him 3 chicken pot pies. He bought a bag of tater tots. Yeah, guys, I'm still in my pajamas. And of course, he likes to buy his cheese. And you can never miss this in a Latin home. So that's that. Oh, I forgot this. Let me put this in the freezer. Okay. So he got that, he got that, he got this. Bag of French fries. We are going to be having, I'm going to be making chicken tenders and fries. And these are chicken breasts, which I am going to cut in strips to put them in the batter that I'm going to make for the chicken tenders that I'm going to be preparing. And I asked my husband for a kielbasa because I have not had this in a while. And this is turkey. Okay. And also I got my husband, not me, I say I got, but I have not left the house. So 6 of these flavor waters. If you have not tried those, I suggest you do because they are delicious. So I have black cherry, and there are water, guys. They are like flavored sodas, not to get them confused with the seltzer water, which they have in side by side. And one time my husband made that mistake, and I don't like seltzer water. So we got the soda is called Clear Delight, and then the other one is Clear Seltzer. So with tropical, white grape, black cherry, and kiwi strawberries, and that's about it. The same flavor, he repeat them. And of course he also purchased a gallon and a half of milk, because guys, my grandson love his cereal with lots of milk. And also my husband picked me up for bananas, which I always love my fruits. You guys know that. We also got one pack of bread. Oh, I was gonna be like, wait a minute, that don't seem like that's such a type of amount of money. So also bags of cereal, Kellogg's cornflakes, and bags of Lucky Charm. Did you guys notice there is a repeat purchase? So I asked my husband to bring me a plain yogurt, which I got here. This is 5 ounces. I should ask him to bring 2. Anyways, I'm going to be making a lemon cake, and I need a cup of plain yogurt, but this is fine. This will do. Okay. I also asked him to pick me up unsalted butter. My grandson wanted Hot Pockets. So 2 of these. And guys, these are good for the kids, okay? This is 10 grams of protein. So because these boys growing up, guys, they eat you out of a house and home. Especially my grandson. I know how this young man can eat. Also, we got, he wanted pepperoni personal pizza. So he got 3 of these, this little celestial pizza. And guys, this, just have in mind that this, for some kids, these are meals, okay? This personal pizza is the meal. For my grandson, this is a snack between his meal, okay? If y'all didn't know, now you know. I'm telling you guys, it's crazy. And no, my grandson is not obese. My grandson, he just tall. He's into sports. My husband also purchased yellow cheese for sandwiches, and he also picked up some oven classic turkey chicken breast. Yeah. And of course, loaf of bread. So guys, there is the grocery haul. So guys, let me leave it like I always say. Be kind to one another. Don't forget to smile. Overall, stay safe, stay healthy. And remember, guys, God loves you. And Debbie also loves you too. And we'll be into the next one. Bye-bye.